Hi guys, this is my trading video recap for 16th of July 2018. So today was a green day, it was $211 in profits. So I'm gonna break out my trades using these windows, and I'm gonna go through each of them so I can better understand what I did today and what strategies did I use. So I took my first trade 3 minutes, almost 4 minutes after the opening. So I took ARNC. It was like, let's say, 4 minute opening breakdown. So in the first 3 minutes, the stock was selling off. So I said to myself, if this next 1 minute candle breaks the VWAP, I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna go short. So I did that, and then I saw this candlestick going up. So I decided to took some profits here, and I covered some part here, and then I covered the other half right there. So it was a little bit profit. Then I enter a new position once I saw this small pullback right here. I saw the price going down again, so I took another short here, and then the price went down, then it started to consolidate. Then I saw these candles that were going up, these long wicks at the bottom, so that was a sign of weakness for me, so I took profit here and here. So that was a good profit, starting almost $100. Then I say, okay, this was a good profit now. I heard someone on the chat room, I think it was Andrew, talking about TNXP. So I jumped to TNXP, and here I try to do a opening break up. So this stock sold off really heavily in the first 5 minutes. Then this doji candle, and then I heard someone talking about a breakup. So I kind of chase it, or maybe I cannot react immediately of someone saying something, because I have to analyze the chart, and I have to have already my entry and exit points. So this was really like an emotional trade, and it turns out to be a bad trade because I long it here, and then the price went down. Then I have to exit here and here for a loss of $21. But I am proud because I was quick on covering my losses. So I exit quick, and it was a small loss. So then I say, okay, I'm doing well on Air and C, so let's go back to it. Then the next trade I took was 946 right here. This was a trade on the long side, because right here I saw in the 5 minutes and and in the 1 minute chart that the price was like, there was a good support here. Actually, this was a day level right here. So I thought, okay, this was an opportunity to long. So I long it here, but immediately the price went down. But I was quick in covering my losses, so I got out of the trade. And then I saw another opportunity to long. So I say, okay, the price went down again, but here this support was handling it. So when the price went up again, I took it to the long side. I took 400 shares here, and then 400 shares a little bit extended, so that maybe that was not a good idea. And then the price went down, and I have to sell my position here and here, and this was a small profit. Um, but then I was waiting for this level, 1940, to break. So once I saw that, I long it here, and then I was quick taking my profits. I took profit here, and it was another small win. And then I saw this VWAP false breakup, and I saw this engulfing bearish candle. So I say, okay, the price most likely is gonna go down the VWAP, but my entry point is gonna be on the pullback. Once I saw this white candle approaching the VWAP, I said, okay, I'm gonna enter here, and my stop loss is above the VWAP. I entered there, and this was a really good entry, because then the price started to sell off all the way to 18.99. I took profit there for 132 win on 400 shares. So I am also going to trade with the share size that I'm going to use on the live trading account, because if I use huge sizes on the simulator, and that's not what I'm gonna do on the live account, so this is not accurate. So I'm gonna trade as much similar, or as much the same way I'm going to try it on the live account. Okay, so ARCN was the best trade. Then I traded IQ. I also, again, I've heard someone saying that they were going to take a long here for the break of this level in IQ. So actually I took it there. I took it right here. Then the price went up, but then I didn't take any profits here. So once the price went below the candle that I entered, that was my stop loss, I had to exit there for a loss of $34. And then the other trades were a little bit like over traded. I would say I took another trades on ARCN. I think they were mostly over trade. This is kind of bishopy right now. It doesn't show any tendency for the up or the down. It's just going up and down the VWAP. So yeah, the first 1 hour was okay. I took a good opening range breakdown. Then I took a very good short here, bouncing the VWAP. That was the best short I have taken so far. And yeah, today was green, so I'm happy for that. Let's see tomorrow what's gonna happen in the simulator. This is my third day, so I'm really happy so far. Also, I really used today the level 2. So I really, in all the trades I took, I tried to see this level 2 every time. So I know Andrew mentioned that when we see a huge bid either side on the bid, if it's below the price, this is a very bearish sign, because most likely the price will meet this huge bid. But I think that once this bid reaches the current price, if it stays there and if it acts as a support, probably the price will bounce up. The same happens to the ask side. If we see a very big bid on this ask side, maybe the price will meet it. But if it meet it, and if it holds there, it's gonna act as a resistance, and most likely the price will bounce down from that point. So, but I also think to myself, this level 2, it has a lot of manipulation. Maybe they are fake orders. Maybe there's gonna be a huge order, and then once the price is approaching it, the person just takes out, just pulls out the bid, and the price gonna keep going down or going up. So yeah, I'm trying to see the level 2 every time I can. When I see a lot of bids in one level price, if it's heavier on one side to the other, then the let's say if there is a lot of bids here in the ask side for one level, and there is a small bids for one level in the bid side. So most likely the price will go down because there is more sellers than buyers. So sellers will end up agreeing to the buyer's price, and the price will go down. So I'm trying to understand, trying to come up with my personal conclusions, and yeah, I mean, this is not a hard rule. This level two can change. It's dynamic. It's sometimes it's hard to make trades and at the same time being paying attention to the level two, but it's a good indicator, and I will keep looking at it in my trading career. So yeah, that's it for today, and tomorrow it's gonna be a good day. I hope so. Bye bye.